outside of the ultra-Orthodox world, Yiddish is not doing so well, and one of the areas where it is doing well is in universities. And but I don't see that as so central to the future of the Yiddish language, because I see the future of the Yiddish language in the Hasidic world. And even though I think it's important for non-Orthodox Jews to learn Yiddish and to learn about Yiddish, it's not going to have a huge impact on the transmission of the language. Now, there certainly are exceptions. There are people like Ken and Ann Moss who are raising their kids in Yiddish who learned Yiddish as adults, right? And that is an example of how the university can have an impact on the future of this language. But those examples are pretty few. And in my opinion, people who are concerned about the future of the Yiddish language should go to Hasidic neighborhoods and hear it spoken in everyday life and realize that it's a very vital language. It has vitality. It's very alive.